Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. What are we doing today? We're doing, as I'm sure you could tell from the title, right, what we're doing, but this one's a different one. It's weird. By the way, tutorial on this look and many more is coming up this week, so just stay tuned. But this is the first video of this week, and we are trying some eyebrow stencils. I got these from Amazon. Might need to stop, but these are $10.99 on Amazon, and it's 18 different styles. It comes in this little box right here, and these are the little stencils. And it comes with this little thing right here. I think this is to like shave your eyebrow. Does it say? It actually doesn't say, but it looks like it. I'm not going to use this, but it looks like it's to shave. So if you are interested in seeing how I look with all these different types of eyebrows, then stick around. Stay tuned. My intro's coming right up. All right, so we're back. So, as I mentioned, I don't know how this is gonna go. This is gonna go either really good or really bad. And I left my makeup on, so it's probably gonna get all screwed up because I have to. What I'm going to do is first, these are, let's take in my eyebrows right now. These are just me coloring them in, nothing crazy. This is just me coloring them in, and I prefer them this way, but I wanted to try these out, one, because I thought it'd be funny, and two, because maybe I'll like one of these stencils. So what you have to do, they're all numbered. So I'm gonna start with number 1. This is number 1 right here. And what you do is you put it comes with this little thing right here. So you put this little thing in here. Oh shit. Like that. And then you're supposed to put this on where you want them, and then you draw them in. Do you see the little shape of the brow? So since I have thicker brows, I am going to draw these. I'm trying to figure out if I am going to let you stick through all the process. I'll probably let you stick through like one of them so you can see what I do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply concealer. I'm gonna apply concealer on my eyebrow to kind of like buff it out and for it to be gone. And then I'm gonna draw in this little shape because my eyebrows are already shaped, so I don't want that to cause anything. So I don't want that to mess anything up. So I want to start with a blank canvas, and the blank canvas is going to be me putting concealer on. This is probably going to go really badly, but that's okay. And I might not even post this because it's probably going to be crazy, and look at my ears sticking out. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking off the makeup from my eyebrows, and then I will be right back to apply this on here. Okay, guys. So, what the hell? Where is his hair? Okay. So, I'm not gonna get close up, and you know why? Because you can see my real hairs. I'm just kidding, I'm gonna get close up. So these are the first, this is the first stencil. This is number 1. Let me start by saying, it does not look good on me. It may look good on other people, but this is not my eyebrow shape, and I am not changing my eyebrow shape now for this one. Now let me zoom you in. I'm gonna take a picture and then I'll be right back. So I know my forehead looks a little crazy, and that is because I have no idea what I'm doing. But, so I don't know why, but I feel like, you know what? It's because you can see my eyebrow. So this would have been worse if you couldn't see my eyebrow, but you can, so it doesn't look as bad. Why am I doing this? Okay, let me move on to the next one, but this is a no, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is number 3, and if you want to exit the video now, then that's okay, because why am I doing this? Look. Okay, so these are number 3. I'm gonna move on to number 4 and see if I like those better, but so far none of these look good on me. I'll be right back. These are better, better. Not quite though. Not quite where I want them. So, number 4. Do y'all like number 4? I'm going to number 5 and I'll be right back. This is number 5. Not looking great, not looking great. All right, guys, number 6. I'll be right back. Guys, this is number 6, and I think I'm gonna end the video here just because it is a lot of work. I may film the rest of it another day, but I've literally been doing this for like 2 hours and I'm just on number 6. These eyebrows are better, number 6, but from what I've looked at is most of them are like really thin compared to my eyebrows. I think these stencils would be better for people who have very little eyebrow hair and have very little or really little eyebrow hair, or have like blonde hair, because mine is a dark ass hair, and I know that there's a way to like hide them, and I think I saw like with glue or something, but I don't have glue with me right now, and so I can't do it properly, and I look freaking insane. So this entire video was me looking insane, but at least it gives you an idea of the types of stencils that are in here. Let me show you the rest of them. So this is number 7, this is number 8, this is number 9, number 10, number 11, number 15, number 13. These look a little thicker, but still not as thick as mine. Number 14. Ooh, should have tried those. Number 15. And number 16. So I may try the rest of them in a different video. I don't know yet, but it gives you an idea of the types of stencils that are in there. And again, it probably will work better for people who have very little hair, 1, 2 have like really light hair, and 3 don't have, or you know how to cover your eyebrows, or don't have thick ass hair like me, because look at this, I do not know what I'm doing. So this video was a joke. Like, I wasn't trying to joke with you guys, but I guess it was a joke because I look horrible with all these eyebrows. So let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this video, or if you just want me to call it. If you want to see all the other ones, let me know down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Oh, and I will link these down below in case you want to check them out. Another thing I want to mention, I always do this, is it's kind of hard to like place them in the middle. One of my eyebrows is higher than the other naturally, and so it was kind of hard to place it in the right place. So just something if you want to know, if you were really interested in buying these. They are $10.99 plus tax, and I will link them down below if you're interested in checking them out. Thank you so much for being here, and comment down below, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you like this video or if you like me, and I will be putting some other videos up somewhere here so you can check them out if you haven't seen them yet. Thank you guys. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.